Muini Joyce Irungu ni eheranitie na mbica cia urathoni iria iratamba Nendaini gukirikana ni ciake. Joyce augite mbica icio ithongetwo kana na mutambo wa Photoshop niguo kumuthukiria ritwa. Joyce ongereire ati witikio wake hari Ngai ndukuinainio na ndegutiga gutungatira Ngai amu ni mahana kihoto ni gikwiyumiria. Ino ni ndumiriri ya Joyce Irungu. This evening I have been informed by my close friend of some unverified stories running on social media. However, I wish to unequivocally disassociate myself with the malicious heavy allegations with the intention of damaging my reputation. The story is totally untrue, unfounded, and targeted to disparage my brand. The photos that shared online have been manipulated with Photoshop software. Anyone can see they do not represent me in any capacity. They have been photoshopped by some people with ulterior motives, targeting to tarnish and undermine me as a brand, gospel individual, and as a business person. The impact of such fake and Photoshop images is profoundly painful and hurting as they distract from my professional endeavors. I strive to make it all to be condemned in the strongest terms possible. Apparently, I continue to remain steadfast in my commitment to integrity and license of essence. I will not stop to place my trust in God, knowing that truth and justice ultimately prevail. Asante sana for your understanding and immense support at this difficult time. It shall be well. My hope and strength to continue with my daily chores will never deplete, because I know God will always be there for me. Akenya mwena wa comment section kwa makorero makiugo na Steven Monio akoga the true meaning of the darker the berry the sweeter the juice. Basi atuonyeshe zake real ndio tuamue na shikore share zako, but hata ukishikwa red handed deny but ebu tuma we compare tuone kama ni ukweli na wajira kaga next and here has done it. Good night madam, and I'm so waga shosho kigumaka mi stories of social media nilisema sitayamini never na tabita bisa mimo akauga how authentic is this information. Na David Muroki akauga anyone with those pick or ring nione na good man wanjigi Albert akauga we can't see them. Na DJ Mr. Joe akauga no ugemuona gukuri kwa mwagi wa Mohoro ni no guhena gitio kinene ni ndeto iria cia mundu ugwitwo Joyce Irungu alewe newe muini wa nyimbo cia gospel ira ikoro higitrended bisa ciake cia urathoni video ciake cia urathoni ituike ati ni igikorwo igitrend guku Nendaini cia ukinyanderia gukuri kwa mwagi wa Mohoro ni no guhena gitio kinene witikire gukorwo subscribe thini wa channel eno itu.